To fix the "something went wrong" issue on Steam in 2024, start by completely closing down the Steam application. This doesn't mean just clicking the X button, but rather shutting it down entirely. To do this, go to the bottom right corner of your screen. Click the up arrow that says Show Hidden Icons. Right-click on Steam and select Exit Steam. Once Steam has shut down, right-click on an empty area of your taskbar. Select Task Manager and type Steam in the search bar at the top. If any Steam-related processes appear, click on them and press the End Task button to close them down. Next, open Steam as an administrator by searching for the application, right-clicking on it, and selecting Run as Administrator. You may be prompted to enter your admin PIN, so enter it if necessary. Steam will then launch in administrator mode, which looks the same as the regular version but has elevated privileges. You may be asked to log in again, so do so if prompted. With Steam open, disable in-game overlays by clicking on Settings at the top left. Then selecting In-game from the middle of the menu. Make sure the Enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is turned off by clicking on it until it's grayed out. Finally, go to your game library. Right-click on the game that's causing issues, and select Properties. From there, click on Install Files and then Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan the game files for any errors and fix them, which should help the game run smoothly. Once this process is complete, exit the Properties menu and launch the game by clicking the Play button. The issue should now be resolved.